So it's Friday night and we're done for the weekend. Usually I clean up on a Friday night, make sure it's all fresh, ready for Monday. But I've got one problem. My Hoover's broke and the floor is filth. It's got leaves everywhere and cardboard and more leaves and bits of plastic, nuts and bolts. It's got an ollie on the floor. Ollie, I can't believe you're lying on the floor, man. The floor's jank as fuck. We've got to think. We want a decent Hoover.
We do. Not a Henry.
Not a Henry.
Or a Dyson.
Or a Dyson. I've got just the thing. You know what we need to do?
I don't know, what do we need to do?
We need to make a Hoover. I need to Hoover up, and a brush ain't gonna cut it, and I need a Hoover for the yard, but we need to go and buy some stuff first for it.
What do we need?
Well, I've got a Hoover hose ready. Believe it or not, I actually bought a longer Hoover hose for my Hoover. But my Hoover's broke. So we're gonna have to make a Hoover. I've got just the thing. We want a powerful one. I wonder if I could resell this on as an industrial Hoover. I think we should make a 20 horsepower Hoover. You wait. This Hoover's gonna be fat, man. We've gotta go B&Q, get some supplies, and we're literally gonna make our own Hoover tonight. And then tomorrow, I can actually clean the workshop because my Hoover's dead. So now I'm gonna have a Hoover, so it's all good. But at least it has some use. Mate, we need red.
We need red.
Do you reckon they'll mix me some up? We need to make it look like a legit Hoover. Is this the colour chart? What colour is the Henry the Hoover?
It's red.
Red. High voltage?
I don't know, it looks red.
Oh, that is red.
No, it's very red.
It's very red. 3.5 litres, and we'll get a litre of black.
Yeah.
Just bog standard gloss, mate. It's going to scrapyard afterwards.
It's just so funny.
Oh, mate, we need a roller tray, we need paint brushes. Guy over there is looking at me like I'm a fucking cracker. How much are these bad boys? £7. Mate, people are made of money. Fuck doing up a house. Need a sheet. That sheet.
Okay.
How much does a Hoover cost? Like a decent one?
150 quid.
So that means I'm making a 20 horsepower Hoover, right? Under 100 quid.
See, it was 69.
69 quid, and I got the actual base of the Hoover for free. Oh, no, oh, hold on. No, I've done a tenner on the Hoover hose. So I think we're good.
70 quid ain't bad.
You know what else we need, don't you?
What?
We need some fucking Mackie D's, mate.
Yes.
We cannot have a night at the garage without a McDonald's. I cannot keep up this obesity if I don't have McDonald's. There's a double cheese McBurger for you. And by the looks of it, oh, hold on. That's yours, and
Give us.
the rest is mine. Sorry, mate. Right, so we've got the hose. Where's the stuff out the car? Let me go get the stuff out the car. We prepped the area for the Hoover making. As you can see, we've got paint, we've got Hoover tube, we've got rollers, we've got brushes. And that's it, we're done. Man, we've made a sick Hoover, but that's not the Hoover. Before I show you the Hoover, this is a quick sketch. This is how I want it to look. It doesn't look like any other Hoover on the market. Industrial 101. Do you want to know how we done it? I'll show you now. Have you ever seen a Hoover with a key before? Sorted. First things first, we've got some rags, we're going to dry it off, and then we better start painting. Are you itching? Go on, Ollie. Go on. Yes! he said 3 coats. Fucking, he's just trying to sell me more, the bastard. it's time for the second coat. Some black. Whee! At the moment, sort this out. Amazing. Suck lube looks fine. Now we're going to do the main bit of the Hoover. To be fair, this is the Hoover size already, so I reckon if we cut there, the pipe on, duct tape it, I think job's a good one. So now we've got to adapt it. Goggles on, grinder at the ready. Yeet. Up through there. Look at that, that's fucking perfect. Use a bit of date tape. Make sure that's nice and sealed. Perfect. Just gonna see if it works because now the Hoover hose is on. This is how you can detail your own engine bay. Go on then! Let's make sure our adapted panel filter is working. Oh yeah, boy! Yes! It works. Oh, I'll put that back in. Have you ever heard a Hoover sound like this? Oi, do some fanboy revving. Fucking working good, man. There's a bump there. You can even clean your Hoover with a Hoover. Got my own Hoover. Industrial Hoover 101. Roll round. Top up. We better check the filter now. Yeah, buddy. God, look at the state of that filter. Look at the bolt. The bolt I sucked up is actually there. What else have we got in here? Razor blade, fag butt, standard. Let's go and put that in the bin and we'll come back. Hold on a minute, we've got a fucking spark plug off still. That means it's only running at what? Third of the power? Fuck yeah, let's see what else we can suck up. Come on RV, don't let me down. Just really funny, we've actually built industrial Hoover under £100. Clean the filter again, shall we?
Oh my god.
Oh fuck! Chris, it worked.
Yeah, it's good.
Will it go in the cupboard? We can't get rid of this one. Harvey's now on the dyno. We've got all the fire extinguishers ready. We're just strapping it down. We're gonna actually see how much power this Hoover is. Before when we run it, it was 22 horsepower. Let's see, after cleaning the spark plugs and doing our little Hoover service on it, if it makes any more. Now at 2000 RPM and do a run. See what that made? 18 horsepower, 30 Newton meters. That's a joke. Did you just say mid-pull you hoovered up a couple of leaves? Yeah. I'm not happy with that, Michael. You want to hit it with some nitrous on the next run? Yeah. How big's that bottle? Big enough. Oh, God. Yeah. It made 20 horsepower. Mike, hit me up a bit more with some more of that juice, please, this time. Ready?
It was at this moment that Ollie shit his pants.
Actually made 44 horsepower and 73 newton meters. That bang was awesome. Look at that fucking curve of horsepower. Open the bonnet again.
We had a flame coming out of there.
Wow, that's amazing. 44 horsepower from 18. That is fucking amazing. Oh dear, we've had where the flame come from. It blew the fucking side of the airbox off.
Oh shit.
Oh god, mate, this thing's a tank. Why is it taking nitrous like that? It shouldn't fucking do that. That is taking that like a trooper. This red and the blue line is the first run we done. This is the run with nitrous. So it made 18.66 horsepower, 30 newton meters. With nitrous it made 44.93 and 73.14 newton meters. Madness. We've got a problem with electricity, so we've got a battery on it. Obviously it blew the side of the inlet out. We've just been laughing for the last 20 minutes about that. What's the plan now, Michael?
We're just going to wide open the bottom and see if we can get it to go bang.
If it doesn't go bang, I'm going to put it on eBay. I think this Harvey Hoover is one of a kind. Go on in, show us in how you're going to do it. Give us a trick squirt and just show us.
Stand here.
Yeah.
And we're going to like that.
This is going to go one of two ways. I'm going to die, you're going to die, or Ollie's going to start crying. All right, well, let's give it a whirl. We're fucking idiots. How we spend our Saturday? Tell you what though, it actually fucking sucks better than my ex-bird. Wow! Oh, it made less! It made 33 horsepower! Because we're losing a lot of power, we're now making a direct feed with a bit of tube. This is stupid. Why is this thing not blowing up? Mental. So if you guys want something that's fucking robust as fuck, buy a Daihatsu core. You know why everything's not breaking on it, don't you?
Why?
It's got a fucking cast inlet. We've now removed the airbox. We've put a direct pipe feed onto here. To here. Show us what it's going to do. Whoa, you don't want to do it that much. It's like a fucking jet engine. Got to wear more eye protection and wear some gloves, because if it does backfire like it backfired on the inlet, at least his hands won't melt. I got you, bro.
Yeah.
Don't worry. We're ready to go. It's the last run with nitrous. Hopefully it doesn't blow up, because I would like to take it on the road. It actually runs better than it ever did before. It made 58 fucking horsepower and 88 newton meters of torque. Are you glad you wore the gloves now?
It wasn't that bad.
It made 58 horsepower and 87 60 newton meters.
3 times the power.
That's an extra 40 horsepower. Look at that curve. Boys, nitrous is fucking dangerous. Doing what we're doing is dangerous. Do not try it at home. So we've got the first run here, flat as a pancake. Then we've got this with the nitrous with the pole straight into the inlet. This is bonkers. What I'm going to try and do is, we've found out that it's actually only running on 1 cylinder out of the 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it running properly. We've got a new head gasket for it, and we're going to do another video, and we're going to try and make this thing make 100 horsepower with nitrous. If not, it might even make more. We don't know. Check out the other video to find out. Nearly 60 horsepower using nitrous. This thing's insane. Boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment, and don't forget to tickle my bell. Peace out.